Honorary Professor of the Academic Union, Oxford. This title honours outstanding individuals for participating in the development of comprehensive programmes to enhance the investment attractiveness of their regions, the development of training programmes, business, education and healthcare. The Honorary Professor title is awarded to Rauza Kasheneva, Director of the College of Arts and Specialised Boarding School Complex for Gifted in the Arts Children, named after Ermek Serkibayev from the Republic of Kazakhstan. And we are lucky enough today to have Honorary Professor Rauza Kasheneva to stay behind and give us answers to a few questions that we have for her. So Rauza Kasheneva, are you there?
Yes.
Well done. Congratulations upon your award. So I wonder, would you tell us briefly about your college history and milestones?
Good afternoon,
Good
ladies
afternoon.
and gentlemen. Thank you very much for invitation to such prestigious ceremony. It's a great honor and pleasure for me. Thank you for such high appreciation of my work. I would like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Thank you.
This celebration is also symbolic for me because it takes place on a very significant day for Kazakhstan, the 30th anniversary of the Republic's independence. I wish everyone health, success, prosperity and creative victories. The College of Art I'm running now has a long, rich and interesting history. It was opened more than 60 years ago as School of Music. In 2006, it was merged with the School for Gifted Children and transformed into the complex. It was named after the famous Kazakh opera singer, our fellow countryman Ermek Serkibayev. Teaching in our complex is carried out in 7 specialties and 13 qualifications. In 2011 in Oxford, our college was given European Quality Award for excellent achievements in studies and educational activities. In 2016, the college won Gold Medal of Industry Leader in the national professional ranking. Over 60 years of the existence, more than 20,000 specialists have graduated from our College of Arts. Today, they are not only teachers, but also opera singers, composers, drama actors, and artists. Among them, there are more than 500 laureates of well-known Republican and international competitions.
Thank you. That was a very full answer, and it's amazing that you have been going so long and so successfully. So, what makes your company stand out as a brand?
Our complex is the only of that kind in the region, and there are only 2 such school college complexes in Kazakhstan. We train personnel for Kazakhstani colleges and universities of art, as well as for foreign ones. Our graduates go on studying in Kazakhstan and abroad, in Russia, Austria, USA, and Germany. Our graduates are famous people who participate in the development of culture and art in many countries. Some of them are the soloists of Kazakhstan Astana Opera, perform in the Bolshoi and Mariinsky theaters in Russia, play in Bashmet's students' orchestra. They also become winners of the prestigious World Festival, Cannes, Asian Oscar, Slaviansky Bazaar, and many others. For example, in 2018, our graduate Samal Islamova won the Golden Palm for Best Actress in the film Aika at the Cannes Film Festival.
That really is an achievement to win the Gold Palm in Cannes. It really is. So obviously you are not going to be satisfied with your achievements because that's not what makes you successful. What plans do you set for yourself? What can your customers and your partners expect?
This question is very important for us. We have a lot of plans. For our further development, they include expanding the ranging and content of the educational programs, improving the teaching technologies, training specialists in the new qualifications, improving the material, technical, and educational base of the complex, ensuring the educational programs for people with disabilities. For example, one of the teachers of our complex, Timur Karimjanov, has organized the theater of the special actor, where deaf and dumb children play. 3 of the actors are our students. A performance entitled Mowgli based of Kipling's book was staged and shown in our town and then in the capital of Kazakhstan, the city of Nur-Sultan. The Delphi Committee praised the work of the special actors and provided grants for further training of these guys. In addition, we are planning to take a leading place among the colleges of the Republic in the field of art and culture, providing educational programs. We are planning to become the first in our Republic in the implementation of professional programs for visually impaired people. I'd like to say that I devote this award to my sister Nazipa. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Honorary Professor Rauza Kasheneva, thank you very much indeed. And Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.